severe accident that, bro.
Yo, massive something shit for real.
This nigga cute as fuck, bro. Bro trying to be like me. You have some shit man can do it, like the road can do. Fucks.
Like, yeah, some giggles. My nigga loves it, okay? So you can really fuck her up.
Nigga love it, what you mean?
What? You can't stop, boy!
She low-key warm, dog. What? Ja. Today my birthday, bro. I don't even have nothing for the dog. I low-key feel like more hang with that bad bitch today, bro. Wonder who I can call up, bro. Who I can call up? I know who I can party with today, dog. Wait, we are safe chance, we are safe chance. We are safe chance, chat. Me a safe shoulda want party with me today, bro. Wait, call her, yo, it connected, yo, it's a ringing. It's a ringing, chat.
Hello?
Yo.
Yo.
Yeah, dude. Why it sound like you just wake up?
Huh?
Why it sound like you just done wake up?
No, I just got out the shower.
Are you just done bed?
Yeah.
You know today I'm birthday, though?
Really?
Yeah, today I'm birthday.
Well, happy birthday.
Appreciate it. And right now, my diva have nothing for do.
You want to come chill?
What?
You want to chill?
Yeah, I came forward. Which part you live?
Huh?
Yeah, which part you live?
Around.
Watch this. Just send the address. I bet. Yo. She said we can. She said
Nigga,
she want to chill, bro. So I'ma wait for she send the address, bro. Oh shit, she sent it already? She sent the shit already, bro. So I wonder how far she live, dog. I wonder how far the girl live, bro. Google Maps. Fuck, Google Maps don't work, bro. Yeah, I need to use something else, dog. Probably Waze, bro. Bro, this girl live 20 minutes away, bro. Should I? I'm for risk it, dog. Leave a risk it, I'm for go. 20 minutes kinda crazy. Nah, that shit even crazy, man. Over exaggerate. Why my lips them so like my lips them get dry as fuck? But fuck it, bro. I guess we have some for today. That I first time I called Tiana, dog. Hopefully we get some for my birthday, is it? Fuck it, we are just left out, bro. I just go over to tea, dog. She really don't sure. I wish me they have a tripod, bro. Yeah, I probably have to drop the camera, bro. Just left it. I wish me could have like have something on there, so but it goodly drop. My lips low key dry, bro. My car makes you see my dry lips. I need water. I'm kinda nervous, bro. I'm kinda nervous that like.
Turn right on, then turn left on Northeast.
I'm not like, I'm low key kinda nervous, dog. Kinda nervous, bro. If you see Tiana social media, she kinda intimidating, dog.
she bad, lazy, she not.
I don't know, bro. Probably me I overthink it, dog. Probably me I overthink it, bro. Probably have to put on this low key. We can pull up the GPS, bro. Cause the fuck me I do? Like me a raw dog this week. Like me I trust instincts, bro. My dead ass are just instincts. Ah! Fuck! 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 In 0.1 mile turn right. Yeah, where the fuck me I go? Yo, I soon know when I reach over T. I'm low key almost reach in a place. My dead, bro, I don't even know how far out I'm there. I'm just reaching ice scheme and I'm nervous as shit. Hey, Matty, what you afraid for? She gonna name me or something? Well, hopefully I'm a birthday. She probably don't already. Bro, why am I so black? Yo, my Navy driver side na dog. Fuck if she set me up. If she set me up, bro, mother have to raise my blade. It's my day, I don't know which part. I don't know which part is. But this shit's my day, bro. I'm call her. Fuck, man on a service. Fuck that man on a service. Yeah. Yo, me I call her right now.
Hello?
Hold on. I'm outside.
Alright, give me a second.
Ah, bet.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog, this shit crazy. Wait, wanna know her? Bro, if you wanna see her face, you probably know who, dog. Oh shit, dog, I need a cut, bro. Fuck! Fuck, dog, I swear I brush me here, bro. When you have 5C here. Oh yeah, my bro called me, wait. Yo, Judge.
But just that I say if you did dip on the road, brother.
Oh yeah, they are circle my side.
Yeah, damn, I have a one little sorrel beer more than drop off, dog.
Man say sorrel beer like me a hunk, dog.
Yeah, brother. It is, dog.
Bro, I go up on a date right now, gang.
Boom, Yo, just cool like that. Yo, you talk about? Ready about come on, dog.
Kinda nervous, bro.
Brother, when you're nervous, brother, make sure you say you want a birthday gift, brother. Because you want to wake up, brother.
Wait, so that I playbook, bro?
That I style, dog. I'm a thing, man. You mean, dog? Do you think, dog, as you just make your cologne up on them thing, the dog, you have to make sure you
fuck, dog. Yo, I never put on a cologne, bro.
Dog, you eat that matter, dog.
Dog, I never put on a cologne, bro.
I say you're nervous, daddy?
Yeah, dog. Wait, I see that? I thought.
Boom, boom.
What
Do
the
you
fuck?
think, dog? Do you think,
Eh?
man?
Hey. Sorry.
Nigga, it's a 5 minutes, bro.
I'm black. Okay.
What that mean? So you love for?
Come on, sit long and fuck.
But dead ass, I never plan for this shit. I just put the one come out of my mouth.
You want to say hi to my cat?
Which one? Where you got the carry him come?
Oh, no, him. No, sir. Alright, just fuck that. Smack her for the
I want my forward.
Yeah, come
I'm
on.
my forward. Yo, show I'm coming, dog. Something forward, bro. Fuck. Sun hot as fuck, bro. I low-key need a tripod, dog. I have one of them bitches that come, like, probably Sunday, dog. Sunday or Monday, I have a tripod that come. Yo, this crib nice as fuck, bro. Yeah, this shit look tough. What do you mean?
My bed, my soap up, and my hair soap up, and then the water just
Like cut off?
Like,
That's crazy.
Bruh, I come downstairs.
Oh shit. Well, if you wanna see that little nigga, that they tell me say just get. Is a man cat or a woman cat?
Yeah, like him balls big.
Say it. Yo, why you just show the camera that?
Guys, this is where I want to be, okay?
Wait, I saw the famous spot, bro.
Yeah, I mean, I don't have to.
Nah, you can carry it. Nah, this nigga cute as fuck, bro. Bro tryna be like me. Fuck. What I get in him?
Cash.
Cash? That tough. Bro, what the fuck is on TV?
This I'm getting Matthew
Thugs. Huh?
No bitches for your birthday.
What do you mean?
Like, do some festive shit, like.
Nah, I'm not really celebrating birthday. That's why I just call you up, because I just want to chill, bro. Like, probably just go up on the road and do some random shit, honestly.
No birthday stay. No handcuffs stay. Like.
Handcuff, you into that? You into shit like that? You would want to try it?
Overly, yes.
You freaky like that, bro?
Overly.
Yo, what am I hearing right now, bro? That's crazy. But low-key need handcuffs then. What we can find handcuffs? Handcuffs. Bro, what the fuck would I sell handcuffs right now?
Yo, this place. Yo, that there where a Barbican still in there.
Barbican.
Yeah. Like this place called Party Experience.
We not got all the way about it.
Fontana with a still handcuffs.
Probably Fontana would have sell that shit. What you think?
Come here, Fontana.
Either Fontana or you know Hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, them have a mall we probably can go there. So.
People in Kingston talking about cold friends, you know?
We need some warm friends.
You can get my own friend. Guys, I like my dermal piercing.
Last time I talked to you, tell me say you get that tattoo, bro.
Yeah, I didn't end up getting the big one because I kind of wanted that. I just got this one though, guys. It says Rockstar because I'm a rock star. Very simple. I try to find something for something. I feel like I'm up on live, like. Yo, guys, let me ask you a question. If a girl shake her ass on social media, does that mean she's a gas pan?
What if she shake her ass on live?
Yeah, if they're like a gas pan or something. I'm not a gas pan, okay, guys? Like, everybody talking about I must start a only come like, you know, my mama walk from New York and kill me.
You should.
Are you crazy? Might, like...
You done anybody that?
Fuck no. Let me tell you, I feel like the worst thing is if like you start a only and then like you don't succeed at the OnlyFans. Comment and tell me from the start a only mommy sorry. Oh god, like
Comment here and start only.
Yeah guys, and follow me on TikTok. How old you turn to that?
That's the way. How old you be?
I'm 21.
Yeah, 21? Oh
yeah.
Shit, that come when your birthday?
November.
Yeah, young as fuck.
I mean young as I am older than you. Yo, this nigga delusional. You know, probably like Steshy and them people there.
So
Steshy is like a little boy.
I'm turning 21 today. Why y'all love?
I'm older than this nigga.
Why you type?
I like them dark skin and dreaded okay.
Funny as fuck.
Like really and truly though, I can't talk to nothing light skin ever in life. If you light skin and I talk to you, just know where I get burned with a dark skin nigga. And you have to have like I mean not really necessarily but having like tattoos.
Say it, you have to have tats, bro.
You get more aura with the tattoo than really and truly.
Low-key, you want to get a sleeve, bro. Like,
I need to get some big like this one that I just got was the biggest one.
You tell me I get a big
No, I was going to get I did was going to do a big tattoo. I didn't even pay for this tattoo. Like
yeah, that shit free.
I'm getting free shit. Why am I gonna start shape my ass for the internet?
No, for like me, I'm gonna start shit with no. All they do is shake ass, bro.
Yo, should I start YouTube?
No, start OnlyFans, bro. Fucks.
You might have some little hole in. You know what? Let me shut the fuck up, cause no nobody like I'm not even dragging nobody that do OnlyFans to be honest. I have a friend that do.
What the fuck? What me just say like you never hear that, huh?
Yes, I did. Is that a problem?
Nah, bro, accident that. I see her accident that, bro.
Yeah, my is some fine shit for real. I mean, everywhere sell roses shit. Merely into them rose something like that. Come like it want vibrate all of the sensation out of my. I would like to have use of my in like the next 10 years. I'd like my to still work. There is no way a man can even compete with a Rose and them something.
Yeah, have some shit man can do it. Like
Rose
the Rose
can
can do.
do.
Fucks.
Like yeah, some big wood. I don't know, I'm really into Rose. Like you feel like it's all a shop. Like
Nigga buy roses off a Timu.
start scam or something. It's the same thing. I don't know how to get more money. You don't think so?
Bro, what you talk about? Tiana, what you talk about, bro?
Yo, we will stop making
Fuck
me
that
like
nigga.
dance right now.
Nigga yapping, bro.
You told me to yap.
Bro, me never tell you for yap, bro. Me never tell you for yap. Me tell you for yap.
Sorry guys, my mouth just my nigga loves it, okay? So you can really fuck that up.
Your nigga love it. What you mean? Right now we're gonna look for handcuffs. Watch I find handcuffs, bro.
I'm making Mark's birthday very special today, okay guys?
Ah, fuck it, that way I find handcuffs, bro. We not this car too long, dog. We'll probably go back seat after we get them.
Probably.
Wanna sell handcuffs? Why she say?
Wait, when I dead ass,
Wanna have them for real?
See them there with lingerie. I get one of them.
We low key probably have to get one of them shit later. What's handcuffs? This nigga slide with a whole fucking like lingerie set, bro. Why she think we are gonna cop this shit for 2.5, bro? Wait, them divas see this shit, bro.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
Why she think we are gonna cop this shit for 2.5, bro? Nigga, we need handcuffs, not a fucking lingerie set, bro. Unless. Nah, we not get this shit, bro. Look what this shit said, bro. This shit says seagull, bro. This fuck ass shit says seagull, bro. That's crazy. Yo, your shirt as fuck. Like, what do you feel that? I know that. Also, bro, so we can record. So, when I go see we in the car, I guess. I guess so. Yo, I need a tough ass, bro. Yes, sir. She low key warm, my dog. What?
Low-key or high?
Get a load of this. Wait, pump phone. 3 fucking 20, bro. Yeah, dog, them niggas in a 7-Eleven just kick we out. Cause them say we too fine. This nigga live right now. This nigga want to get in a foot more, bro. We have to go fucking go Fontana. And then after Fontana, we are go to the fuck yo, we are go Fontana right now. I'm gonna probably see when we reach Fontana. This nigga live. This nigga try bro said she wanna get gifts on live, but she not say no bro. Like she just there try look pretty.
The fuck? I'm supposed to just guys, I'm supposed to shape my ass fan live. Like would if you give me some universe and them something there.
So one ass shake equal one universe.
Yeah, like
Yeah, that's what we do, literally.
thanks for the rose.
No, fuck the rose, bro. We don't want that shit.
Like,
Oh yeah, fuck, some could record that shit. It's all weird for asking people. Also, where's the handcuffs?
show them reaction.
Put them in the camera, bro.
I feel like we should just laugh and look.
Yeah, bro, I look for that shit, bro. I'll say, excuse me.
The
Nah,
handcuffs, guys.
where the handcuffs at?
Those are them
Yo, she hear that?
freaky
She hear that and I look, bro. Yo.
Yo, this is how I know Jamaica is too vanilla, guys. You're not supposed to all tie on a handbags with some rope and them something like this.
Wait, what that play work?
It's an ethereal.
What the fuck that mean?
It mean like very light and just beautiful and out of this world. I'm talking about my guys.
I guess I was supposed to do, like, toy section.
This nigga.
But
Oh
where the
my
hardcore
God.
toys?
These people are. Why would I buy this for $1,300?
Cause you love suck one thing.
My dumb. Oh my God.
Wait, Anna sweetie?
Fuck no, is that squishy?
Oh, no. That shit feel nasty as fuck,
Why
bro.
make you nice?
Nah, bro, that shit feel disgusting. This nigga loves toys. What we coming here for?
Handcuffs. Bumba, we can go jellyfish.
So why the... Nah, bro, yeah, tweak.
Him don't get the reference, guys. Clearly him don't watch SpongeBob. Okay.
Nigga, you how much?
19.
Yeah. Nah. Where the fuck are they? Yo, Fontana, what the freak? Show that shit. Well, I probably need
We will definitely need a bike helmet as well.
nah, fucks. Wait, put on this shit. Yo. Nah, this shit low key tough as well.
Yo, this feel like it don't even work $3 grand. Like this probably make.
But
Yo,
you're good,
dead at them.
you see it, you're good, drop off of this one dead, bro. Ah, where the freaky shit at Fontana? Come on, bro. We know you got shit. Yeah, chat, watch this. So, this nigga like a little kid in the toy store, bro. Fontana on every store against we. And we can't find no handcuffs. Yo, this nigga low-key funny, bro. Wait, turn on for like 2 seconds. No, like you turn on. Ah, wait. Look back. Yo.
Guys, say happy birthday to him and send him all of your money.
Yeah, send me all your money, dog. PayPal, Zelle, only if we take it all, bro.
Tip
Nah,
through
facts.
Twitter, everything. Tip me through Twitter, guys.
Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy.
Guys, come and go stop blood clot posts.
Yeah, she has start shape more ass, bro.
Right? Like,
Let me see that tattoo, yeah?
low-key?
Oh, I'm fucking.
No, this one is better though.
No, this look low-key tough.
Guys, this is avocado because my friend Rover died and him always has a guacamole.
Yeah, they are friends with Rover?
What? Rover is my life.
Oh shit, that Rover. Bro, yeah, sir.
Oh my god.
I swear, this nigga retarded. Yo, this nigga is like a kid.
Where I lose the
This
plot?
nigga is
Where
like
are
a
the
kid.
handcuffs?
Nah, Fox, wear the handcuffs. Short ass. Nigga low-key got cake. Yeah.
Low-key, nigga, I'm like jacking them. Embarrass me in the fucking line. Like,
What is? Nah, them nigga have enough fame, bro. We need something where everybody use. And just say, yo, sponsor me right now.
baby, what? Did he sponsor us? Which one you feel like him use?
Nah, which one me I go use?
Guys, we're having a matty party.
No niggas
All the
invited
bad
though.
bitches pull up.
Nah, facts. But low key, we do some shit with bare bad bitches, bro, up on a yacht, dog. So,
No phones allowed, guys.
fraud. Yeah, no phones allowed. I just me, my camera, and about 10 other bad bitches. No niggas. No other niggas but me.
As soon as we move from the land, everybody just take off them clothes. Like,
Take off your dress. No. Dog, the whole of my pants are just off, bro. I feel like a scabby, dog. I feel like a cruff, bro. I low key, I'm in a dog, but. Nigga, yo, nigga, they must spam, eh? Nah. Nah, yeah, I hear things, bro. I never say shit. Them niggas are screaming in my comments, get a job, bro. Niggas are tweak.
Like, just give little time and if I reach and I know what I would do.
Chat like comment to how for do and shit. We just got Fontana and them niggas don't got no fucking handcuffs. Yeah, that, watch it now. If you don't want to see our next video with Tiana, what them for comment? What them people comment? Wait, this nigga pierce our tongue, bro?
Yeah.
What the oh wait, don't show them. But If you don't want to see our next video with Tiana, comment.
Chef.
Comment, chef?
Yeah.
Yeah, comment, chef, bro, if you don't want to see.
And follow my TikTok, guys.
Nigga, what is your TikTok, bro?
It's just up in my fucking like. Stop! See, wait, you so serious. Guys, follow my TikTok at _ Tianagas and my Instagram at _ Tianagas.
So
See this ass, okay?
so me I cut out all of that shit, so now go follow her. Handcuffs vid after this, I guess. Mad.
I was the person who said, me and mad, I was not stalling, I did music.